few dust on the pattern. This is very important to do. This the dust in the dust area free. Uh, I'm just doing this for video purpose only. If you have important data, you should seek for help from professional.
So it seems it drives. So I'm gonna remove all of this screw. Okay, so this is just a 5-star um, screwdrivers. Whereas this one is a bit difficult one. So I got a special socket to remove this one. So let's undo this.
So I found a few dust and I managed to remove it all without without any damage to the patterns. Uh, what I did was by pressing the air duster into the dust area free. It doesn't always work. In my case, I just got so lucky. So it's working after I connected to the computer. So that at the moment there's no dust at all. As you can see, the other ways also I found that if you hard drive click 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 sound, clinking sound, meaning the pattern is stuck. Slide the heads stack across the pattern, and be careful doing that. So you might damage the drive as well. And finally, I just got the hard drive connected back to the computer, and I can hear the sound is working um, perfectly. So I managed to get all my data.
So
Lucky
we have
me.
a bit of
So
luck.
hopefully you'll have success like I did. But if you really don't have important data, just yeah, give it a go. And this technique sometimes works, sometimes doesn't. Uh, I would suggest it to go to the professional if you don't know what you're doing, and they have good tools to remove in the dust-free environment as well. So good luck. Thank you for watching. Have a good one.